Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. While coming to the present content of the video, in the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, that is IISc, it is the topmost college in India. So from this college, here the PhD announcements are there. So click on this one. Then you will be directed to the detailed advertisement regarding this research program. So applications are invited for admission to the research PhD programs and external registration program at the Indian Institute of Science. The qualifications and each and everything are mentioned in the official website. And coming to the research programs, here you can check down the PhD in science, engineering and interdisciplinary areas. And coming to the eligibility, valid GATE score or NET JRF is mandatory. So that means along with the post graduation, so you must require the valid GATE score or the NET. So here the bachelor's degree in engineering or technology, 4 years bachelor of science, valid GATE score, and a master's degree in science or master's degree in economics and few departments are given. And coming to the GATE score, whatever the bachelor, the candidates who wants to do the PhD after completion of their BTech directly, it is called as a direct PhD, then their GATE score must be valid as of March 1, 2021. And coming to the NET JRF includes CSIR UGC NET for JRF, UGC NET for JRF, and DBT JRF and ICMR JRF, JEST, NBHM, Inspire Fellow, and NET JRF should be valid as of March 1, 2021. Okay, and selection process is based upon the interview. Whatever the applications received by the college, they will shortlist those applications, and the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview based upon their performance in the national entrance test or the academic performance. And the selection is based upon the performance in the interview. So there is no written test here. And the candidates will be called for the interview held in June 2020 in any of the other departments mentioned above are also eligible to apply again. Okay. So these are the details, guys. And coming to the application fee, the online registration is available. The link is provided here. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Coming to the application fee, general or OBC 800 and SC ST PWD 400 and ERP 2000. And the application must bear any bank or a payment gate service extra charges are there. And coming to the important dates, 9 November 2020 and the last date is 6 December 2020. Okay. So these are the starting and closing dates, guys. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who wants to do the research work in the IISc. It's a very good opportunity. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.